Good day, guys. This is your favorite Mr. Omar. Welcome to Android Tips and Tricks. Today we are going to be dealing on how to schedule text messages. That is text messages, especially for those people that are used to forgetting things that are due to memory loss and the rest. You forget sending messages of congratulations or happy birthday or so to somebody. This is how you can schedule these messages for the same date, so when the date comes to pass, this message will be sent automatically. And this is how it is done. First, you go to your message where you can type your message. You locate your message application. Now you go to compose messages. Here you enter the recipient's number. As if it is saved on your phone, you can locate it and put it, but if it's not saved, you can just type the number here. Then after you have succeeded in typing the number, you now type the message that you want to forward to the person on the said date. Okay, let's assume you want to type how to schedule text messages for later dates. Now this is what I've typed: how to schedule text messages for later dates. Then you come to this plus sign by the side of the message. You click on this plus sign. Once you click on this plus sign, you should be able to see something like this, and you see where it is written schedule message. When you see schedule message, you click on the schedule message, but you still have other items there. Now this schedule message will bring set when to send the message, where you can also adjust the date and day and the time the message is to be sent. And once you do this adjustment and you click on OK, your message is set for the same date which you have chosen for this message to be sent. And when the day comes, this message is going to be sent without you knowing, automatically. So it will ease you the stress of apologizing for not sending some message of congratulations or greetings to some people that normally take it personal when you forget their birthdays and the rest. I believe this article must have been of help to you and must have enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow us on our Facebook page. And also, we would like to see you in our next video. Click the bell button so as to get alert when we upload next video. Thank you and God bless you.